What's going on, guys? Do you have an Acura RSX Type-S from 02 to 06? I got the perfect thing for you. I'm supporting 250 horsepower just like these do. That was a little corny, but this product is perfect for you guys. So if your axles have gone out a little bit or you need to replace them for any reason, these are very, very good quality and inexpensive alternative to replacing the CV dust boots, and just a lot less work, but it's still gonna make sure that your car is well taken care of. So like I mentioned earlier, they can withstand up to 250 horsepower, and they're made from heat treated steel. So if you need a good replacement, look no further than these. Come as a pair, driver's side, passenger side. Perfect for you. It comes with a little bit of swag and a thank you card from Yonaka. If you have absolutely any questions, please ask in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and we look forward to helping you guys out real soon. Thank you.